Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Janie Goodwin and I'm here today to talk to you about the Slim Roast Optimum Coffee. It is by Valentus and it's a weight loss coffee, however it offers so many other benefits as well. I have been drinking the coffee for 3 months now and I've lost 20 pounds. It is 100% all natural. It's diabetic and vegan friendly, which is just completely awesome. And it works on your brain to suppress your appetite and crush cravings, which for me, I really needed that to lose the weight because I was a big nighttime snacker. I really craved the extreme sugary and salty foods, and I was in the pantry at nighttime. That was my big weakness. And now that I don't have those cravings anymore, I'm able to say no and lose the weight because I'm not eating that any longer. So another thing is, the coffee puts your body through a process called thermogenesis, which is burning the fat and turning it into energy within your body. So while I stand here and talk to you guys right now, I'm actually burning fat. How cool is that? I don't even have to work out, which I don't work out. I know I should, but I don't. So I've lost that weight without working out. Another thing is it increases focus and mental awareness, and it's also an antioxidant, and I saved almost the best for last. The weight loss pretty much is the best, but this is the second best for me. The mood, you guys, my mood has been so awesome. I am just happy. I just feel great. I call it my magic beans, my happy beans, because this coffee, it just makes me happy. There's a joke in our house. My husband says, keep drinking the coffee, okay? I'm like, got it. So yeah, it's great stuff, you guys. So please watch for me. I'm gonna be back soon, and I will give you some more information on the coffee. And until then, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.